Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In today's class, we will be doing subtraction on single digit number, and the way in which we are going to do subtraction is vertical way. Vertical way means the standing lines. In my last class, I have taught you to do subtraction on single digit numbers on horizontal way, and today you will be learning how to do subtraction on single digit number following the vertical way or the standing lines. Now in today's class, first of all, let us do a quick revision on the topic subtraction. What is subtraction and what is the sign of subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away. When we take away one number from another number, it is known as subtraction. And the sign of subtraction is minus. Minus is the sign of subtraction, and as you know students, without the minus sign, the subtraction is incomplete. Always remember, the minus sign is the most important part while doing subtraction. Now, students, you already know what are single digit numbers. Single digit number means the numbers which start from 0 to 9. Subtraction, S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. This is the spelling of subtraction. And minus, this is the sign of subtraction. Single digit numbers, numbers starting from 0 to 9. Subtraction means taking away. When we take away one number from another number, it is known as subtraction. And the sign of subtraction is minus. The most important part while doing subtraction is following the sign or writing the sign. So today we will do subtraction on vertical method or vertical way, or we can also say it as standing lines. Today we will do subtraction on standing lines. Now students, we will follow a very easy method on how to do subtraction very easily, which will help you to clearly understand and do subtraction nicely. We will follow drawing the line method. By drawing lines and then doing subtraction, this method is the most easy method. So let us do following this method. The first example I have written here, 4 minus sign 2. The minus sign while doing subtraction vertically or on standing lines, the minus sign should always be on the left hand side. The minus sign should always be on the left hand side. 4 minus 2. So students, can you see how many lines I have drawn here? I have drawn here 4 lines. Out of these 4 lines, how many lines I am going to take away? I am going to take away 2 lines as the number is written here 2. So let us take out or take away 2 lines. First line, second line, or 1 line, 2 line. So how many lines are left? 2 lines are left. So we will write the answer here 2. Let us do one more example. 6 minus 3. 6 minus sign on the left hand side and 3. So students, please tell me how many lines we are going to draw? Yes, you are right. We are going to draw 6 lines. And we are going to take away 3 lines from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many lines we are going to take away? We are going to take away 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. So what is the answer, students? 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 3 gives the answer 3. Let us do one more example. We will leave 2 lines here and we will start from the third line. 8 minus 0. Now students, how many lines we are going to draw? Yes, you are right. We are going to draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Out of these 8 lines, how many lines we are going to take away? Are we going to take away any lines? No, as this is the number 0. 0 has no value. So, we will not take away any line. So, the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, the answer will be 8. As we are not taking away any line because we have to take away 0 from the number 8. One more example let us do. 5 minus 5. Minus on the left hand side. So students, let us solve this one. How many lines we are going to draw? We are going to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And how many lines we are going to take away? We are going to take away 5 lines as it is 5 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So students, what is the answer remaining? The answer remaining is 0 because out of 5 lines we have taken away all the 5 lines. So the answer is 0. One more example. 3 minus 1. Now how many lines we are going to draw? 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So out of 3 lines, how many lines we are going to take away? 1 line. What are the lines remaining? Or how many lines are remaining? 2. 1 and 2. So the answer is 2. Did you see, students? By drawing lines, this method is the most easiest method which helps you to clearly do and understand the concept of subtraction. So I have opted for this method. Let us do one more example. 8 minus 5. So students, now let us draw 8 lines and see what answer comes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. From 8, how many lines we are going to take away? We are going to take away 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So students, can you tell me how many lines are remaining? Yes, 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. So the answer will be 3. So 8 minus 5 gives the answer 3. Now let us do a last example. Again, we will be leaving 2 lines and we will be starting from the third line. 7 minus 2. Now students, how many lines we are going to draw? We are going to draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of these 7 lines, how many lines we are going to take away? We are going to take away 2 lines. 1 and 2. So students, how many lines are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the answer of 7 minus 2 gives 5. Students, I hope you are understanding it nicely, and the last example is 6 minus 4. So students, how we will do it? We will draw 6 lines and we will take away 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, how many lines we will take away? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is the answer remaining? 1, 2. So, 6 minus 4 gives the answer 2. So students, I hope you have understood the concept of subtraction on vertical lines or standing lines. Thank you.